or child-owned.
Dati
Six
sumasali si
unique
ano dyan
pocket
eh.
parks, each serving different needs, are all within a 100-meter radius from each other. Reimagine your life within Yume at River Park, the setting for your dream home.
May number.
This is the future site for River Park North's commercial lot,
Yan,
a
61.
dynamic hotspot and a must-visit lifestyle destination. Within River Park's own central business district, this commercial hub promises to offer a vibrant mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Whether you're a startup or an established business, you'll thrive in an ecosystem built on inspiration and innovation. From mobility solutions to sustainable energy, to safety and health. Every aspect is
Video yan.
intentional and seamlessly integrated. Take advantage of upcoming activities. Very easy and approximately 7,000 square meters of open space.
Alagyan sa YouTube page mo.
River Park North promises to become a dynamic district, energized by the presence of local and global brand leaders. So because 8 SMR, efforts to general commercial
Ay, nakatayo sila doon tapos likod naman.
The 11-hectare commercial complex will draw visitors with its wide array of shopping choices, generous open spaces, and potential for future expansion. Uniqlo's new human-centric logistics facility is also set to rise here.